Hello friends! Welcome to Fish in Tokyo. My name is Kyoko. Today I want to show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to download the mobile Suica app on your iPhone. It's in Japanese, so I will help you. I will guide you how to download it and how to use it. But before we jump into our topic, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and ring that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's start.
Mobile Suica app is only available from iPhone 7 to the latest iPhone models. First, you go to App Store, type in Suica, then download the app. Once you've downloaded the app, click on Open. On the bottom of your screen, click on the right button that says Suica Hakko. In this screen, you will have to click the bottom green button that says Hakko Tsuzuki, which means proceed to issuance. In this screen is the precautions before issuance of the card. Click on Next and Accept. Click here to charge your Suica. In this screen, it will show you how much you can add up on your Suica card. In this case, I'm charging 1,000 yen, and as you can see, it's automatically redirected to your Apple Pay. Once you've done to top up money on your card, it will show you the available balance of it. Click on Next on the top right of your screen. Next, the terms and conditions, click on Agree on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the card has been added, click on Next. In this screen, you will have to wait until the issuance of your card is fully done. And voila! There is your card! From here, you can use the card already. Just in case, it's better to register your name on the card. So if you lost or broke your phone, you can still retrieve your card. Click on the icon on the bottom left of the card and click Kain Toroku from the bottom of your card. Click on Agree. In this area, enter your email address. Type in your password, retype your password, type in your last name, your first name, type again your name in katakana, type your name in katakana, enter your date of birth, select your gender, type in your postal code, and type in your mobile number. Select in your secret question, and then type in your secret answer. For the meantime, I chose your favorite train as a question and Yamanote Line as an answer. Click on complete once the upgrade is done. Click the icon on the top left corner of your screen to check that your account has been fully registered. Once you're done, go to your Apple Wallet app and check if your Suica has been added on your app.
So there you have it. That's how you download the mobile Suica app on your iPhone. So what's the merit of having a mobile Suica app instead of having a card? For me, since they launched the mobile Suica app, I've been using it for almost a year already. And for me, it has a lot of merits. One is you can use it to pay any bus, train, and shops that has this smart. You can pay using your Suica mobile app. You just have to tap it there. That's one. Number two, it's so easy to charge. Like, you don't have to queue anymore. You can charge first. You can charge from your credit card. Next, you can set it to like auto charge from your view card like this. If you have a card like this, then you can charge it from there. And of course, you can charge at any 7-Eleven. So yeah, that's number two. It's easy to charge. And number three, you can set your school and work commuter pass. I'll show you how to set up the commuter pass on your mobile Suica app on my next video, but that's number three. And number four, you can buy Shinkansen ticket from your mobile Suica app. Isn't that amazing? And number five, you don't have to queue. You don't have to queue for buying, for charging. You don't have to queue. You can charge your Suica card anywhere, anytime, as long as you have your phone and you have your credit card or debit card on your Apple Wallet, and you're good to go. And lastly, for the people who's here in Japan or who's going here in Japan for a business trip, what's the good thing of that is you can take a screenshot of your journey and have it reimbursed for your travel and expenses reimbursements. So for me, that's the main reason why I use mobile Suica app then. Because the thing is, if you have a Suica card, yes, you can do it as well. You can do it in the Suica machine, yes, why not? But come on, it will take some time. I mean, you have to queue. But with the app, you can just take a screenshot and then it's good to go for your reimbursement. So yeah, that's the 6th merit having mobile Suica app. Of course, there's a demerit as well. You should always charge your phone. Don't run out of phone battery. But it never happened to me before because you know in Apple phones how you can save battery life, and then when I'm about to run out of battery, I just don't use my phone. You just put it on save battery mode and then you're good to go. And on my next video, I'll show you how to set a commuter pass on your phone. So there you have it, friends. That is how to download and use your mobile Suica app. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like this video and leave a comment. See you on my next video.